Okay, so this is for all the dads out there. You come home from work and you got water on the bottom of the fridge, your wife says, or partner, whatever, vice versa. And that puppy there, you could stick your hand up here and you can see water dripping. So the temperature of the fridge is good, and you know the defroster is working and the thermostat is working in the freezer. So you were blocked there, iced. Or it is clogged with mildew and crap. So you got three options. You can use windshield wiper fluid, winter, if it's ice, and if you figure it is mildew and crap. You can use Drano, and you put it in a Windex bottle, and make sure you don't get it on your food. And then spray it in there, give it a few minutes, spray it in there, give it a few minutes, spray it in there, give it a few minutes. Bob's your uncle. And then it will come down. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, possibly. Let's see if I can turn it. Yeah. So there you go. That little white thing in the middle. We'll watch the fluid come out. And there you go. Oh. If you can see that. It's dripping out. And you can see it on the pan. So now you know the fluid is going through. And then how much you want to use is up to you. But if generally if it's going through, you're good for another 6 months.